Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So we are on day 8 of the hay bale garden, and today we are going to do just a 1/4 cup per bale. So if you haven't measured your cup, you can go ahead and do that, or after you've done this 300 times, you probably know how much a 1/4 cup is. So I'm not even measuring anymore, I'm just sprinkling it on there. So, let's get her done. The mosquitoes are absolutely horrible already. Look at some of our onions are already starting to sprout. I'm so excited. All right, once we get all the bales fertilized, then we have to work it in. Hi everybody, and welcome to, I believe it is day 9. I'm going to have to double check on that, but I believe that it is day 9. So today we again do a 1/4 cup of the high nitrogen fertilizer, and then we water. Once again, after you get all your fertilizer on, you want to water.
Well, Melissa's still watering these bales in. This is the last row. So I went inside and got a meat thermometer and shoved it down in the bale, and you can see it's up to 139.1. As soon as I shoved it down and pushed my finger in there, you could feel how hot it was.
Okay y'all, today is day 10. So this will be the last day for the high nitrogen fertilizer. And today we're going to do a 1/4 cup for each bale. That's a happy boy. We had to take this ball away from him yesterday. All he does is lay around, and I was like, he's done this for so long, I'm scared he's going to have a heart attack. He will stay out there as long as you let him with that ball. Okay, they are all fertilized, and we are going to water them. And again, water them until the water comes out the bottom. Try to get this fertilizer worked in without pushing it off the bale.
Well, since she's out here doing the bales, let's check these again. What I'd like to do is check the difference between the hay bale and the straw bale, because these hay bales are really nice and tight together, and the straw bales are real loose. So this one is kind of dying out around 140.5. There it just went up to 140.7, 9. Anyway, we're right around that range with the hay bale. Now let's try it in the straw bale. We're at 77.2 right now. So this one here now is kind of bottoming out around 119. Now it's at 119.3. Let's try a different spot and a different hay straw bale. Now this one now is slowing down right around that 124. 124.2.
Hey everybody, and today is day 11. Day 11 of the hay bale, and that means today is the 10-10-10 day. And we are going to sprinkle 1 cup per bale and then water. Alright, once again, once you have the fertilizer on, and this time remember it's 10-10-10, then you want to water the bales. Alright, that's the end of day 11, all watered and fertilized with 10-10-10. Today is day 12. Today's our last day. Sorry about the wind. Today we are just going to water. We're just going to water and try and work some of this fertilizer down in the bales. And then tomorrow we can plant. Or we'll plant this weekend. We won't plant tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. So, let's get this done. Okay, y'all, that's the last watering. The next step is going to be to plant. All these back here are raspberry bushes. Can't wait for those to start making berries. Alright, y'all, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and if you try this, let me know how it works for you. And if you have any questions, I'll help as best I can. I'm absolutely no expert. This is just my 3rd time doing it, so if you have any questions, I'll try and help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
The mushrooms are growing. It's time to plant.